Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to access Windows Task Manager, an essential tool for managing and troubleshooting your computers, processes, and applications. So to access Windows Task Manager, let's dive into these informative step-by-step instructions. So on your keyboard, locate and press the Control key, usually in the bottom left of your keyboard, and then while still holding the Control key, find and press the Shift key, also on the left side, and then without releasing the Control and Shift keys, press the ESC or Escape key, typically in the upper left corner of your keyboard. So let's try. So Control Shift Escape. So it is showing here on my end. This is the task manager. If for any reason Control Shift plus Escape key doesn't work, you can use an alternative method. So press and hold the Control and Alt keys, and then while holding both the Control and Alt keys, press the Delete key. Typically, it is located in the upper right corner of your keyboard. Now, in the options that appear on your screen, select Task Manager. Now, once you've successfully performed either of these actions, the Task Manager window will open. Within this window, you'll find several tabs including Processes, Performance, App History, Startup, and Users. Each tab provides valuable information and functionality to help you manage your computer effectively. And that's it! You now have the knowledge to access Windows Task Manager using two different methods. This powerful tool is your key to managing running applications and processes, monitoring system performance, and troubleshooting issues on your computer. Task Manager is an indispensable tool for both novice and experienced computer users. Whether you need to close a non-responsive application, check your system's resource usage, or identity and resolve performance bottlenecks, Task Manager has your back. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to access Windows Task Manager. See you on my next video.